I think the suitcase is called Ginza Suitcase. I don't think it's called Gen Z at all. I don't know why my brain keep calling it Gen Z. Yeah, it's not like, oh my god, this is so bad, but it's like, oh, it's obvious that it's been damaged a little bit with the scratch and dirt, because they just throw the suitcases. They don't really care about the color, the aesthetics of the suitcase. They just like throw it at the airport and it just comes out really, really dirty like this. But I feel like if I clean this up, the dirt would not be as bad. I would just be left with the scratches. So that's the Gen Z suitcase. Hi loving souls, welcome back to Janelle's Lane. I am doing a 1-year review on the Gen Z suitcase. Somebody wanted to know how it's holding up after a year. What are the scratches on there looking like? What are the dents looking like? Is it discolored? Like, just like general questions that you will ask about a suitcase after a year. So that's what I'm going to be answering in this video, and I'm going to be showing you guys what the Gen Z suitcase from Amazon travel luggage looks like. So let's get into it. The suitcase came in a set of 3s, right? When I did the video, there was 3 of them. One large, this is extra large, and then you have the medium, and then you have your travel overhead size traveling one right here. And what is this? Oh, I have toothbrush in here from traveling. So this bag was also part of the bags that I bought from Amazon when I bought the Gen Z suitcase. And this one right here is part of the new edition as well. I will show you guys as well. So okay, let's start with the one right in front of one. Okay, the one that you put overhead in the plane when you're traveling. Let's go over that one. Let me show you guys in more detail here. So let's talk about the carry-on, the little one. This one has like just dirt. It's not scratch. It mostly go overhead in the plane. It doesn't go to where the luggages are at. So you only have like 1-2 little dirt stain and a little bit of dirt stain over here. It still works great. The tires are fine. Everything's fine on this one. Let's move to, that's just talking about the scratches, right? Let's move to the back of it. The back of it doesn't have any scratch or dirt on there. The little carry-on has a pocket here, a little pocket here, and this pocket here, and this pocket here. And you can open this. That's the space you're working with down there. That much of a space. I'm gonna close it up. Yeah, look at this one right here. This one is all scratched up because it was used a lot and it was thrown in the back with the luggages and it was thrown all over the place. So this is what this one looks like up close. Look at all the scratch. It's just like badly scratched and stuff. But I feel like it's mostly dirt than scratch. I feel like if I were to clean it with like alcohol, like if I were to clean it, it will come off a little bit and it won't look as bad on there. The tires are fine. Let's see the back of it. Whoa, the back is bad. Oh my god. It is bad. It is bad with scratches on the back. I didn't even notice the back was this bad. It is damaged. Whoever like threw these just like threw it with no regards to the color of the suitcase whatsoever. It is badly scratched and is also dirty. This is what that looks like. Yeah, it is really, really dirty. Let's move to the big one. This big one doesn't have scratch on it. It doesn't have a scratch or a dent on it. I wonder why. This is in excellent condition. I think I haven't traveled with a big one here because this thing is massive. Okay, it's pretty big. This little bag right here, I really like because it's like I put enough, I'm able to put enough stuff here. And the cool thing on this bag is you can put your shoes right here. See this compartment right here? That's where I put my shoes and stuff. Or you can put makeup and stuff, but I don't like putting makeup in there because you're gonna set it down. So I put stuff in there and I use this big bag as my purse. Okay, this holds my regular purse, and this is used as my purse. And then I set it on top of this one right here, like so. And I carry as a carry-on, and it holds all the stuff that I need for my vacation. I don't carry a lot of stuff, so that's why I've never used this big one, and that's why this one has been used, and it's in great condition. This is another travel luggage type tool as well. I haven't opened this one yet, so I'm gonna open it here now. Is one of those ones, let me show you guys what it looks like up close. So this is what it looks like up close. You put all your stuff in these little totes, and then you put it in the suitcase to keep it organized, to keep it all together, and to just like organize things. Okay, this is the color that I picked. It's like a khaki color, you know, so everything comes in one bag, and then you have one right here, two. This is pretty cool. This is long. It's like a mini bag. You know those little things that they put your clothes in? If you had like a fancy coat or like a fancy dress, they put it in. This is what this reminds me of. That's what that reminds me of. But it's too tiny, obviously, so. And then there's another bag, so that's 3. Oh, this is more for like shoes and stuff, or socks, 3. And this is a big one, 4. It has a mesh on there. You can put your underwear in here or other stuff. 4, 5. This is even bigger. And then 6. So let me show you guys. This is what the color looks like up close. I hope you can see that. And this is how big that one is. And then there's another one. So it's one. So it's about 6 pieces in that one as well to put stuff in. While carrying it with me has not been badly scratched as this one. So just keep it in mind, because the stretch is all the way from the middle, all the way to the top, all the way over here, because they just throw the suitcases. They don't really care about the color of it. They don't care about the aesthetics of the suitcase. They just like throw it at the airport, and it just comes out really dirty like this. But I feel like if I clean this up, the dirt would not be as bad. I would just be left with the scratches, and it won't look as horrible as it does right now. I mean, yeah, it's not like, oh my god, this is so bad, but it's like, oh, it's obvious that it's been damaged a little bit with the scratch and dirt. So that's the Ginza suitcase. That's just a video to answer your question. I hope I answer your questions, and thank you for watching.